You know, whatever you are chasing, you will get everything. Just you have to stop chasing and you have to start letting go. Do you know, friend, whenever you are chasing something, your that particular goal, it means you are getting enough desperate. And desperation, it is a very low frequency. It means you are not having enough faith on universe. So release your desperation by doing hope nope no. How to do it? Just take your right hand, keep it on your heart, and say to universe, I'm so sorry for not trusting you 100%. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for deleting all the desperation and all kind of negative emotions. Those are creating the situations. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Do it 108 times a day. Be calm, release desperation, let go, and start attracting all the goals of your life without